Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by creating 2 runnable copies of the game. This is the only reliable way to get split screen play. First, make sure your device runs Android 7 or newer and multi-window is enabled. Next, use an app cloner or create a work profile to produce a second app instance. Once done, close other background apps and free RAM. Games need headroom. Then open both game copies so they're ready in recent apps. You'll position them in the next step. Now position both instances into Android split screen mode. Open the first game, tap Recent, choose the split screen icon, and pick the cloned second instance. Make sure both sides use the same orientation. Landscape gives the best 16:9 usability, and adjust the divider so each player gets adequate view. Once placed, connect controllers or use on-screen control mapping. You must assign input per instance, so each player controls their own window. This keeps input separate and playable. Finish by optimizing performance and testing both players. Reduce graphics settings to medium, limit background sync, and ensure both instances maintain about 30 to 60 frames per second. Test controls and audio. If sound conflicts, mute one app or use 2 headsets. If the game crashes or refuses to run twice, force stop both copies, recreate the clone, or switch cloning tools. Sometimes work profile works when cloners fail. One key troubleshooting tip. If multi-window is blocked, use a different Android user account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.